Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I was thinking to start a basic Linux fundamentals series. So today I'll be going to cover man command. Man is very important command. Man stands for manual pages. Manual pages are having a ton of information for specific command we are going to look for. For example, we can even look for the man cat man cd, and it will show us the proper usage for these commands. The command is very simple to use. We can write man, then the second argument we are going to use is the command that we are going to look for, man cat. So here is the command we are looking for. This one is coming from the sections. I'm going to discuss about the sections later on. User commands section. Here is the command. Here is one line description of the command, synopsis and descriptions where each flag or option or argument is discussed. Even examples are given here. Author is this one and things like that. We can even search in this documentation using / and then writing a pattern. For example, I want to look for the read. Okay, it's occurring here. Then n. Okay, so read comes only once in this whole documentation. We can quit the documentation using q. So after that we can search for the strings in description using man-k. For example, I've passed the ghost text and it is going to look for all commands descriptions and bring us back the descriptions only which have our specified text. So as you can see, there and there. So after that we are going to cover the man sections. There are different types of manual pages section. We can check it using man. So scrolling down we can see there are 9 sections available for the man pages. First is for executable programs or shell commands, second system calls, third library calls, fourth special files, etc. So let's discuss about example of these man pages, why there are man pages and different sections. So let's see this thing, etc password. So when I write man password, this thing is coming from the section 1 and it is telling us about change user password command, shell command. But there is a special file in Linux in etc password. This is a file having different formats and conventions used in it. So I want to look the man page for this thing, not the man for password command. So what I have to do is man, then look up the section. It is in the fifth section is reserved for file formats and conventions. Then we have to pass the command. So the usage is like this: man, section number, and the command we are looking for, or the file we are going to look for. Okay, now this password is coming from the section 5th. It is talking about the password file and it is coming from the 5th section. As we can see, we can even search things like that in here. Q to quit, clear. After that we are going to discuss about what is command. What is command basically tells us a single line description of the command we passed in. As we can see, the 5th section of the password is about password file, the first section is about the command, and this one is about compute password hashes, etc. So after that we are going to look for the where is command. Where is basically used to look up the manual pages where the actual documentation is stored. For example, where is cat, and here we can see it is actually even showing the binary user bin cat, and the manual for this thing is located user share man1. We can only look up the manual pages using -m, then passing the command. Now we can see no binary is being shown here, only the user manual. So that's all for now. If you have any questions, please write down in the comment section below. If you like the video, If you like the video, then please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.